Today we're making crispy, flaky, bakery-style veg puffs with a delicious homemade vegetable filling. Heat oil and sauté the onions, ginger garlic paste, green chilies and curry leaves until fragrant. Add the carrots and green peas. Then cook until they are just tender. Mix in the mashed potatoes and spices, then finish with fresh coriander. Let the filling cool completely. Place the filling in the center, fold the pastry, and seal the edges with a fork. Brush each puff with milk to help it bake into a beautiful golden color. Bake until the pastry is beautifully puffed, crisp, and golden brown. Look at those crispy layers and the delicious vegetable filling inside. Perfectly baked and irresistibly flaky. Thank you for watching. This video uses AI-assisted visuals for creative storytelling, and cooking method are real and suitable for home cooking. See you in the next recipe.